There are rare cars, and then there's this. Say hello to Canada's only Aston Martin Valiant, a jaw-dropping, one-of-a-kind machine that blends track-focused performance with bespoke British craftsmanship. And with a rumored price tag starting around $2.6 million USD, this isn't just another exotic. It's a rolling work of art built for true driving purists. The Aston Martin Valiant is a rare breed, even by supercar standards. Born from the British automaker's ultra-exclusive Q by Aston Martin division, the Valiant was commissioned by none other than Fernando Alonso, a two-time Formula One world champion. Based on the stunning Aston Martin Valour, the Valiant takes things several notches higher, both in terms of performance and exclusivity. Only 38 units were made worldwide, and just one made its way to Canada. That unicorn was delivered recently by Grand Touring Automobiles, a Canadian dealership that specializes in some of the most exotic brands on Earth. Think Koenigsegg, Rimac, Lotus, and now, the Valiant. Delivering Canada's only Aston Martin Valiant is a true honor, said Paul Cummings, the dealership CEO, and it's easy to see why. Let's get into the specs. Under the sculpted carbon fiber hood lies a 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, tuned to unleash a monstrous 735 horsepower and 555 lb-ft of torque. That's 30 horsepower more than the Valour, the Valiant's already impressive sibling. And yes, it comes exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission, a nod to the purists who still crave the tactile feel of rowing their own gears. Power goes straight to the rear wheels, making this not just a fast car, but a real driver's machine. But Aston Martin didn't stop at raw power. They went full-on race car with this thing. Weight-saving measures are found everywhere. From a 3D printed rear subframe that sheds 3 kilograms to a magnesium torque tube that cuts an additional 8.6 kilograms, and even a lightweight lithium-ion battery, the Valiant is lean and mean. Its unsprung weight is also reduced thanks to 21-inch magnesium wheels, which help improve agility and handling on the track. Suspension tech? Next level. The Valiant features Multimatic adaptive spool valve dampers, the kind of setup typically found in high-end motorsport applications. These can adjust between 32 settings in just 6 milliseconds, paired with recalibrated Sport, Sport Plus, and track driving modes to suit every mood or track condition. And when it's time to stop this beast, carbon ceramic brakes measuring 410 millimeters in front and 360 millimeters at the rear deliver serious bite. It's all part of making the Valiant not just rare, but a street-legal track weapon. Now let's talk looks, because the Valiant isn't just fast, it's fierce. Dressed in a bespoke golden saffron paint, it sports an aggressive carbon fiber body kit, including a new splitter, multi-layer front canards, F1 style side skirts, a massive fixed rear wing, and a bold full-width grille. It's an absolute head-turner, even by supercar standards. Inside the cabin, you're met with motorsport-grade materials and design. Recaro podium seats, 4-point harnesses, a half-roll cage, and a carbon fiber transmission tunnel with an exposed gear linkage bring race car vibes to the street. Alcantara and more carbon fiber cover nearly every inch, and the overall feel is more track day ready than Sunday cruiser. As for the price, Aston Martin hasn't confirmed it, but reports suggest the Valiant starts at £2 million, or about $2.6 million USD. With only one in Canada, that number could climb even higher depending on options and taxes. For collectors, enthusiasts, or those who simply want to own a piece of automotive history, this is the pinnacle of performance and exclusivity. It's not just a car, it's a statement.